A little bit, y'all saw that I curled it with looking here. I'm gonna go ahead and put my rollers back in it. I think I'm gonna put like, up to date is another wig review, and I'm so excited about this wig. This unit is from BeautyForeverHair. Shout out to them for sending me over this beautiful unit. So this is one of their, I was like a curtain bang type of unit. It does have a drawstring and it's a body wave, but this is a 13 by 4 or 13 by 6, and I love that because sometimes I get a little over the closures. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put it on. It does have tape on it, a nice drawstring, and it has the band as well, so I love that. So let's go ahead and put it on. I did try her on a little earlier just to see how she's gonna lay on my head and stuff like that. So let's try her on. It's already pretty tight. Oh, these wigs nowadays, girls, they be so easy to put on. So look how easy that was. I'm just gonna position it properly. Then I'm gonna take my drawstring and I'm gonna just pull the unit nice and tight, and then you could do a little nice tuck. So this is how the unit look. Now when you do get your unit, it's gonna come with this little roller. Ooh. It's gonna come with this little roller where the vein is, so you can like re-roll this like that. But I did take my roller out. It did come with one roller, and I did let the hair relax a little bit. Y'all, I hate when my hair is super curled. This looks so beautiful. So I'm gonna hot comb it a little bit and just make it look even more natural. This is so secured. It has a big comb in the back as well, so you don't have to worry about this coming off because it's very secured. Okay. Oh yeah, that fits a lot better now. And then I think I'm gonna cut a little of the ear tab off a little bit because I think it's a little too long for my hair, for my head. But I kind of hot combed it a little bit. But I think I'm gonna cut a little bit of the ear tab off because I want it to fit a little bit more perfect to my hairline. Just a little bit. Okay, yes, that looks a lot more better. See? Nice and seamless. Sometimes you just have to adjust the hairline a little bit just so it can fit your hairline. Just so it can... Okay, so yeah, I barely had to cut that part. Okay, so that looks really good. You don't need glue or anything like that, but I'm gonna just glue mine on just so I can like flip it back. I think I'm gonna use some glue to the hairline, just so, because I want it to look a little bit more, you know, seamless. But the drawstring, girl, you don't have to use any type of glue. Your hair is nice and secured, but like I said, being me, I want my hair to look a certain type of way. So maybe I'll use the tape. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this to the back a little bit, y'all, and then I'm gonna go ahead and spray some hairspray. This Even Red, Kiss by Red hairspray. I'm gonna spray this around my hairline a little bit, just so everything can look a little bit more seamless. Just a little bit, like that. Not too much. Then I'm gonna go ahead and pull it down a little bit. And I'm gonna blow dry it a little bit as well. I feel so rusty when it comes to applying my laces because it's been so long since I like really did a full lace, but I'm gonna get it together, girl. Give me a second, give me a second. Okay guys, so I pretty much secured the unit for the most part. I did have to spray a little holding spray on it. I did a little small scoop on the side, although that's not gonna show because I'm wearing my hair in the middle part, but it just makes me feel a little bit more comfortable. So what I'm doing right now is just gonna just hot comb it and just put some heat to the top because I like my part units to be middle parts to be really flat. So that's what I'm doing right now. Then we'll put some loose curls. Although the hair comes with a nice curl, I still want to like put a little bit of a curl towards the front. Just kind of like shaping the hair a little bit. Like so. Okay, so I'm going to close up the part a little bit, y'all. Put a little black at the top because y'all remember this hair is kind of brown. Okay. Alright you guys, so I just curled this side with some loose curls. I haven't pulled them out yet. I'm going to spray a little bit of, I kind of want to spray some holding spray on it. I'm going to spray a little of this wax holding spray. I'm not going to pull the curls out yet. It took me like 2 minutes to curl my hair. So I'm not going to pull them out yet. I'm just going to let them settle. I'm going to show you guys how I got these like loose curls. I haven't cut any layers in this hair. I'm just using my wand. And I'm just going to wrap it around like this. Y'all know how to wand y'all hair now. Okay, I'm gonna just pull it out, let it do what it do. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. This will look really cute if you use the rollers as well. Show you guys, this hair curls really nicely. Hopefully it holds a curl, but I'm going for a very loose curl, so I don't want it to be like too curly. Okay, very loose. Okay, so I'm gonna spray this side a little bit. Then I'm gonna just take my fingers, pull the curls out a little bit. That looks so pretty. Okay guys, so here is the hair. I did do my hairline. I haven't did this hairline in so long. Y'all remember I used to do my hairline back when I went to Paris. I don't know if you guys are new here, but I used to do my hairline like this all the time, which is super natural. I like this hairline. It's just very natural. So I think I'm gonna start doing my hairline back like this if I do, you know, wear wigs and stuff more. I'm definitely gonna go for like more of a natural hairline. And all I did was just like pull some of the hair out and cut it. Just pulled some and just cut it. Just so I cut it really short with my eyebrow archer like this, guys. You want it as short as possible. because you just want it to look like your hair. You don't want it to look forced, you know. So now the hair just look like it can go wherever it want to go. I did curl it a little bit. Y'all saw that I curled it with my wand curlers just for a very effortless looking hair. I'm gonna go ahead and put my rollers back in it. I think I'm gonna put like the soft rollers in it, and I'm gonna wear it like that for the rest of the night. But so far I love the way the lace is looking. Everything looks very natural, and I am super confident in this hairstyle. So make sure you guys check out Beauty Forever if you are looking for a really nice drawstring unit. Make sure you guys check them out. Let's get back into this vlog.